Hello everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate the airless ionization mode of the ER-X static ionizer from Panasonic. The ER-X is a slim bar-type ionizer that provides highly efficient charge removal without taking up a large amount of space. Ions are generated by precision machined tungsten needles that are housed in an easy-to-replace assembly for effortless maintenance. The ER-X uses a pulsed AC ionization method, making it possible to remove surface charges without the need for a compressed air source. This is very beneficial for eliminating the damaging effects of static on very small or lightweight parts that are prone to unintended movement when exposed to a high-pressure airstream. To show this concept in action, I'll be utilizing a demonstration unit which induces a static charge on strips of material that respond by levitating in the air. Immediately after I engage the ion discharge from the ER-X, you'll see that the material instantly falls down as the charge is removed. Again, all of this is being done without the presence of a compressed air source. The ER-X is fast and powerful and provides a perfect solution for eliminating static on all targets that are sensitive to traditional methods of ionization. If you would like to learn more, please give us a call or visit our website at pewa.panasonic.com.